guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are just talk about quality content. What is quality content? Quality content is a content that meets certain standard of equivalence, relevance and usefulness. It is a material that provides genius value to the audience, enhance readers or viewers and elegance with the expectations and need of the target audience. Here are the key of characteristics of quality contents. Firstly, I explain what is relevance. What is relevance? Quality content is directly related to the interests, needs, and concerns of the target audience. It addresses specific topics or issues that matter to attentive reader or viewers. Secondly, I explain accuracy and credibility. Okay, what is accuracy? It is a factually accurate and supported by reliable sources. Credible content build trust will be the audience and the creator or the bond as well as authority in the field. Third, I explain clarity and readability. Okay, what is clarity? Quality content is well written and easy to understand. It uses clearly language, proper grammar, and the logical structure, ensuring that reader can easily grab to the messages. Okay, the second is originality. What is originality? Originality, it offers a unique, perspective, fresh insights, or original ideas. Copying or duplicating content can harm a brand's reputations and does not provide value to the audience. The next is engagements. What is engagement? How can we explain engagement? Quality content capability and the enhance to the audience, whether through information article, entertaining videos, or in attractive elements. It encourages user to spend more time consuming the content, consuming their contents, videos, and etc. The next is usefulness. What is usefulness? It provide particle information, solution, or entertainment that the audience can apply or enjoy. Usefulness content adds the value to the lives of the audience in the same way. Okay, the next is visual appeal. Visual appeal. What is visual appeal? Well designed and visual appealing content is more likely to grab the audience attentions. They include the use of image, videos, infography, photography, and other multimedia elements. That is it. Okay, the next is the next is user friendly format. What is user friendly format? Quality content is presenting in a format that is easy to consume. This may involve breaking up text with subheading, using bullets point, and ensuring a mobile friendly layout. It is called user friendly format. Okay, the next part is SEO optimization. What is SEO optimization? Okay, I can explain. It is optimization of search engines in incorporating relevant keyword naturally without sacrificing. Okay, SEO friendly content discover through search engines result. The next is consistency. What is consistency? Quality content is considered with the brand's voice, the real voice, messagings, and the overall content strategy. Okay, it helps us building a recognizable and trustworthy brand image. The last is feedback responsible. What is feedback? Okay, What is feedback? Creator of quality content activity enhance with their audience. They respond to comments, encourage discussion, and take feedback into account for future content. Okay, now enhance. Now enhance quality content is about creating a positive and valuable experience for the audience. It goes beyond simply covering information. It's sleeved to make meaningful impact, whether through education, entertainment, or solving a problem for the audience. So that's the topic. The topic is complete. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe.